I was waiting. That's another place where I was praying the rosary. Please stop the game. Just end the game.
You guys win?
No, we did not. I think everybody had fun except me. So we got 3 points here. We got 0, 0, 2, 0, and 1, 2. And that's your triangle. So this is your region right here. And I made the other class go to the board to do that little bit of work, but I'm not going to make you if you're paying attention. Pay attention. Step 2. Find the equations on the boundary. So I should label this x and y because we have x, y, z. There was somebody who liked area between curves, and it is very similar to that. So you want to find the 8 regions of the boundaries. Well, this is y equals 0. This is y equals 2x. And this is y equals minus 2x plus 4, I believe. And the way you do that is find the slope, find the y-intercept. Ryan, you're paying attention? Ryan wants to go to boards. All right. Ryan wants a lot of things. I don't know, like he wants to do theorems and proofs on the next WPR. I can let leadership know.
You also have to have this coverage hat.
Neither could you.
Wait, why are you doing this?
I only tease people I like. I seriously don't. If I don't like them, I don't talk to them at all. And I like all my students. So here we go. You find these equations with y equals intercept, however you want to do it. You're just finding lines on this boundary. Now, if you have other weird things like parabolas that intersect each other, they're going to look different. You have to find points of intersection. We're not going to go there yet, unless Ryan wants to. The steps are on the PDF. You all know how to do that. But okay, here the next thing is, because it's x, what you're doing is you're setting up an iterated integral, and this is going to be x equals blank, x equals blank. Y is going to go from 0 to 2. And the reason for that is if I went just up the elevator here, the elevator starts at ground 0 and ends at ground 2. When I go this way, though, the vertical lines start here on this function and end here. But I'm integrating with respect to x. So I need these things to be in terms of x because I need to plug in for x. So that's the way you connect it. So I need to fill in what goes here. These are question marks. Think of the process you just did on the board. You integrate with respect to x, and then you plug in numbers for x. Now you're going to integrate with respect to x, and you need to plug in functions of y into there. So you'll take that first equation, y equals 2x. That's the same thing as x is equal to 1/2 y. And that's where you start. When you shoot arrows vertically, they start in here at x equals 1/2 y, and they exit out at this function solved for x. So I get here for the other function, y minus 4 divided by -2 is equal to x, or this is minus 1/2 y plus 2. That's the way I like to see it. And you pop those lower and upper limits into your equation. The second one's always going to have constants in it. So in this case, it would be 0 to 2. Okay, so far? And then I put those in.
Man, why couldn't you just set the x value to 0 to 2?
Because you don't have, that would be a rectangle.
Oh, yeah.
Right. And there's 2x plus y. I made it easy, at least this part. And then we have dx, dy. Let me do that. Like so. So x goes from 1/2 y to minus 1/2 y plus 2. And your y goes from 0 to 2. When you go to triple integrals, you're going to have 3 of these limits to get. The first one will be something with 2 variables in it. The second one will have 1 variable, and the third one will be constant. I just want to give you a preview of the drama that's about to unfold. No thank you, ma'ams. It's coming. All right, so I actually want you to calculate this so that you don't fall asleep on me. We'll end it there. I just want to tell you that there's another example here, because I was going to send you to boards and try one out. And the math is all here, so you can go back and it's typed, so you don't have to say, oh, well, is that a Y or a 4 that she's written? It's all typed up. So you can go back and look at it, and it's under my folder, so you can see it. So take this integral, just like you did before, and keep the books. It's a bookkeeping problem. Take it to boards. And then we'll stop and go enjoy our weekend.